So in this Mirth Connect tutorial, we are going to use a raw coding format of concatenating NK1.2 and NK1.3 into a single field. So let's go to our Mirth Connect and start it. So I'll go to my Mirth. I'll click over here. Yeah, I'll go to my Mirth. Over here, I created concatenate and I already typed my code in the GitHub. I just copy pasting over here. So when you go here, I'm creating a variable next of kin, and over here I'm adding NK1.2 plus NK1.3 to this particular variable, and it's very simple. I'm not using any external functions. I'm just copying this variable to NK1.2 and deleting the NK1.3. So it's very simple. I'll explain you once again over in my notes. So it's like swapping, right? So NK1 is equal to apple, NK2, NK3. So if I go over here, NK1.2, I'll do one thing. NK2 is equal to apple, NK3 is equal to cat, and I'm doing simply NK2 is equal to NK2 plus NK3 and deleting NK3. That's it. So this apple and cat will be added together, which is nothing but over here apple cat. So that's it. So that's what I am doing over here in a very simple way, not using any external functions. But before adding NK1, I don't have any NK segment in my particular code. You know, right? What we have done, adding a segment. So I'll click over here, and this is nothing but I'm creating an NK1 segment, and inside that NK2.1 I give it as Deepika Padukone and NK1.3 as Ranveer Singh. So automatically the segments are created. That's the magic of raw coding over here. You're not creating any segments, where just you are giving these values and the segment has been created with these two values, 2.1, 3.1. And over here I'm adding the 2.1, 3.1 and deleting the NK1.3. Perfect. I'll go back, I'll save, and I'll deploy this channel, refresh. I'll go over here, I'll select some random message which doesn't have any NK1 segment. For our proof, I'll reprocess it. I'll click OK, I'll search. That's it. I'll go to destinations. I don't have any NK segment over here. In the encoded, you can see NK1, there is nothing. In the NK2, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh have been added. So the NK1 has been created and both the fields have been added together in a single field. So if I go back, I feel that this is not clean, so I want to do something better over here. So we can do a lot of changes. I'll go to destination, transformer, concatenate. So I want to do something. So what I'll do, I want to separate Deepika Padukone from Ranveer Singh with some space over here, and I'll add the same thing over here plus to a string, and I'll do something over here too. I'll add the plus and yeah, yeah, small space. So I think this looks good. So Deepika Padukone comes over here and Ranveer Singh comes in this bracket. So yeah, this is a basic thing, but I want to make sure everything has been explained without any issues. So like in the actual project, you will be doing a neat code, not random code. So I want to explain all scenarios. So I'll search it. In the destination, you can see P1. In the encoded, you can see NK1, Deepika Padukone, and Ranveer Singh in the bracket. So it looks much better than the previous one, right? If you see it over here, it's very clumsy. And in reality, these are the not names which you should use. The names which are required by your project and the medical scenarios, the healthcare scenarios you are going to use. Just for the fun and purpose, I'm using it over here. That's how you're able to achieve this concatenation with the raw code. And have a great day. See you in next video.